Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Confirm the bootloader and firmware versions and compute checksums so you know what changes. Back up the entire /boot folder and bootloader configs to an external drive or separate partition because restore is faster than recovery. Make sure you have root or administrative access and the required tools, a DB, SSH, fastboot, or vendor utility, ready. Once done, stop non-essential services and unmount the target file system to prevent writes. Then proceed to locate the bootloader folder switch target. You now perform the core actions. Create the new bootloader folder with exact permissions and ownership to match the system expectations, because mismatched perms break boot. Copy only the verified files, boot, img, bootloader binaries, DTB files, and configuration, preserving timestamps when possible. Update bootloader config pointers and environment variables using atomic commands or transactional edits so the system never points at a half-complete state. Once the copy and config updates succeed, sync and flush caches so you finish by rebooting and verifying that the system boots from the new bootloader folder. Watch the serial or console logs closely for early errors because they reveal where it failed. If the device does not boot, revert immediately using your backup copies and documented commands to restore the previous folder, and collect error codes for diagnosis. Make sure to boot into recovery or use a serial console for interactive debugging if needed. This single troubleshooting path often gives the exact file or permission causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.